how to change Google language from Haitian Creole to English or from any other languages
Hausa
to
to
English. So before proceeding further, just to make sure
Hawaiian
to
to
subscribe
English,
my YouTube channel, click
Hebrew
on
to
the bell icon
English,
so that you'll receive all my
Hindi
latest
to
update.
English,
So guys, let's get started.
Hmong to
So guys,
Hindi,
the first thing you have to do
Hmong to
is
English,
open up your Google Chrome and then
Hungarian to
click
English,
on your search bar
Icelandic
and then
to
type
English,
CHROME Chrome and then colon and then
Igbo
forward
to
slash
English,
and then setting,
Indonesian to
SETTINGS settings and then
Irish
hit
to
enter
English,
button. Once you
Italian
hit enter
to
button,
English,
as you will
Japanese
able to
to
see
English,
the sidebar,
Javanese
sidebar
to
of your Google
English,
Chrome. You just click on the
Kannada to
sidebar logo
English,
here, and then what you
Kazakh
have to do
to
is you
English,
have to go to the advanced
Khmer to
setting.
English,
Even though you do not understand
Korean
the
to
language
English,
showing up on your Google Chrome,
Kurdian
you
to
can
English,
follow this
Kurdish
procedure
to
and then you'll
English,
be able to change your language from any languages to English. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select this option. As you can see, this is
to
the
English,
advanced button. Once you
Lao
click there,
to English,
you have to select this
Latin
option.
to
As
English,
you can see the logo. Okay, if you don't
Latvian
understand
to
the language,
English,
you just recognize the logo and then proceed further. So you have to click
Latvian
on
to
this
English,
globe button. So once you click there, you'll
Lithuanian
be
to
able to see
English,
the advanced option here. What you have to do
Luxembourgish to
is
English,
click on the top button.
Macedonian
This is
to
the
English,
language button. Click over here, and then you can
Malagasy
see
to
there are
English,
the languages listed what I have selected previously. So
Malay
now
to
this
English,
is the add language
Malayalam
button.
to
Okay,
English,
this is the add language button. Once you
Maltese
click
to
here, you'll
English,
get all the languages available on
Maori
your
to
Google Chrome.
English,
So what you have to do is
Marathi
type
to English,
English,
Mongolian to
and then
English,
you can select your English,
Nepali to
whatever you
English,
prefer. English, Australia, Canada, South
Norwegian
Africa,
to
New
English,
Zealand, United Kingdom. So I have
Ninja
already
to
selected
English,
United States, so it is not showing
Pashto
up
to
here.
English,
So what I'll do is I'll select
Persian to
Australia,
English,
and then I'll
Polish
click
to
over
English,
here. You have to click here, okay?
Portuguese
This
to
is OK
English,
button. So once you
Punjabi
click
to
there, what you have
English,
to do is I have selected
Romanian
this
to
one,
English,
okay? English Australia.
Russian to
so now
English,
click on the three dot
Samoan
button,
to English,
and then what you have to do is mark
Stock
this
Gaelic
button,
to
Google
English,
Chrome, show up Google Chrome. Okay, so once you click there, and then you
Serbian
have to
to
launch
English,
this language. Okay,
Shona
you click
to
over here.
English,
Once
Sindhi
you
to
click
English,
there, Google Chrome
Sinhala
will
to English,
reopen, and then your
Slovak to
entire
English,
languages will be reset
Slovenian to
into
English,
language. As you
Somali
can
to
see,
English,
your language is now
Southern
English
Sotho
Australia.
to
And then
English,
now you click here, and
Spanish
then
to
you select the
English,
language,
Sundanese
whichever
to
you
English,
prefer, United States or any other
Swahili to
languages.
English,
So this is how you can change
Swadesh to
Google
English,
language from
Tajik
any
to English,
languages to English
Tamil
language.
to
So
English,
guys, I hope this video
Telugu
helps you a
to
lot.
English,
If it helps you,
Thai to
do not forget
English,
to subscribe my YouTube
Turkish to
channel.
English,
See you on the next video. Till
Ukrainian
then,
to
bye-bye.
English,